Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm Chris and today I'm gonna show you why I still remain very bearish on this Bitcoin update. Because guys, as you can clearly see on the 1 hour time frame, we're forming a rise watch pattern. So it means that probably in the next move we're gonna have an imminent dump of the price for probably a retest. But if we're gonna get guys into bigger time frames, we're gonna notice a bearish divergence that's forming perfectly in the 4 hour time frame. And also if we look at the daily time frame, we're gonna see that we're starting in a crazy overbought position, which for me it's flashed me that this is the biggest bull trap that happened on this bear market. So guys, if you would like to analyze all these things in a big details and we're gonna get exactly with numbers and price targets, all you have to do is to stay until the end of the video. And before jumping to more analysis, let's smash 100 likes on this video, because with this way you help me a lot to push this video to more people via YouTube algorithm. And all I need guys is a very simple process of daily likes, daily comments, share in your social media with your friends, and is a way that helps me a lot, and I appreciate you for this help from the bottom of my heart guys. And let's jump straight to the 1 hour time frame to begin our analysis, because here we're forming this beautifully 1 hour time frame rise wedge pattern, which is forming, as you can clearly see, A move, B move, C move, D move. Right now we're going for an E move to retest this very strong resistance area that we're holding very tight. And probably, as we know, Rajwitz patterns are very bearish patterns. If we're gonna retest this one, probably gonna have a reversal to actually get back to retest this major $21,300 area, and there is a scenario to see the breakout to the downside. So guys, I'm gonna give you my technical price target on this bearish pattern, and it's gonna be, if we're gonna break to this area $21,300, we're gonna have an imminent dump to the price of $20,000 to retest this major area. And I'm gonna give you basically a red box just to see it more clearly. And probably guys, if we're gonna get to this technical price target, I believe that we're gonna have some kind of instant drop on the price of Bitcoin back to this area, and probably we're gonna stay on this a little bit more downwards at around exactly $20,000 area to retest this major resistance area, which currently we're gonna retest it as a support. And then we're gonna do another update to actually explain you about if we're gonna see a consolidation phase here, another reversal to the upside, or we're gonna break this support area. I'm gonna move even more downwards to $19,000 or even below to $18,000. And guys, right now let's move on to the 4 hour time frame, because also here we have this bearish divergence, which is really important, and we should pay much attention here, because you can clearly see the Bitcoin price getting higher high, which is an uptrend movement, some kind of uptrend movement. And we have here guys a lower low on the RSI, which is a downtrend movement, which actually this means that we have a bearish divergence. So we're expecting to see an imminent crash to the price of Bitcoin, and it's actually a dump, not crash. We're gonna probably see the levels that I told you back to $20,000. It's a very rational price target that we're gonna get after this bearish divergence. So we're expecting to see guys anytime soon a rejection to the price of Bitcoin back to $20,000, and that's actually gonna confirm also this rise wedge pattern price target, which is close to that number of $20,000. Okay, so you can clearly understand that here probably gonna get 100%, and that 100% is gonna be 5 between 7% of rejection. And let's move on guys, because in the daily time frame you're gonna see clearly here that we have on the RSI a very big overbought position. As you can clearly see guys, we're standing on this overbought position at 89 RSI points, which is extremely overbought position. And guys, if you remember what I told you in my previous videos, the last time that we saw that insane number of RSI over 88, which actually this one was back on the bull run of 2021, and actually was the first huge pump that happened, especially on this area on $42,000. Back of exactly was here, back of $10,000. We saw a pump from $10,000 up to $42,000, 4x for the Bitcoin price. And guys, we had this insane overbought position. So for me, this currently overbought position is nothing else than another bull trap that happened by big whales, and afterwards it continued guys with some bullish news of with the drop of inflation at 6.5 that reported CPI inflation rate of December, which reported at 6.5, and actually, if you remember, guys, it was very predictable. I predict with very big accuracy this number. I told you we're gonna have, if we're gonna have 6.5, a deal 6.1, we're gonna have a slightly pump to the upside. But this kind of pump, guys, was justified a deal $1,000 upwards. Not that much crazy pump that happened. And right now I'm gonna give you my thoughts, how I believe that this kind of situation of this insane manipulate pump happened. And guys, this is a game of whales which gonna wreck out badly the firmwares. The guys who are fear that they're gonna miss the train of the bull run. Then all these guys gonna wreck out badly. And as you remember, guys, from here, when we broke actually this downtrend movement of the Bitcoin price on the daily time frame, I told you that we're gonna have an imminent pump to the upside. And also, if you remember, I told you that I opened here a very successful trade, and actually I had a very successful long trade up to $70,200 area. And guys, I mentioned you that here is the limit of the Bitcoin price pump, because here we're gonna get to an overbought position, and afterwards the whales come into the game. They pump the price up to $18,000. Then we had this CPI data inflation rate, which actually was quite bullish with 6.5%. This kind of pumped the price over $90,000, $90,500, and then we saw some hype coming in on the Bitcoin price, which with lots of firmwares jumping on the market, and also lots of traders who bought Bitcoin at $90,000 just in the case that of fear that gonna miss the bull run. And guys, that's why here is the most dangerous zone to buy Bitcoin. And all I suggest to do, guys, on this situation is just to sit back and relax and just do an out zoom and look the things in a general perspective, because if you look the fundamentals are remain very, very bearish. This kind of small pump that happened, and let me zoom out just to know what's happening, and let me clear out the mess and continue. Guys, if you do just a zoom out, you're gonna notice that this kind of pump can justify a bull run. Okay, we have overbought 89 we have overbought position 89 RSI points, and look what's happening. Nothing bullish from fundamental happened, and I don't know why people believe that this is the beginning of a bull run. It's ridiculous, because they break some old patterns and etc. from 2017 and 8 and years like that. But currently, guys, fundamentals are still bearish, and we're gonna get into a maximum pain in Q1 and Q2. So all the big investors, the big whales who actually gonna invest on Bitcoin, waiting to see the recession first. Okay, a recession didn't happen yet. We're gonna have even more lower prices, and then suddenly when you're gonna get into one more last capitulation, you're gonna see suddenly the money throwing on the markets, and then very, very slowly gonna build back the bullish territory with the road of 100K or $1,000, of course, and we're gonna move even more than that. But currently we are remain bearish. We're waiting to see the recession, even more capitulation to happen. Last capitulation, a very big crash, one more leg down, which gonna actually lead us to a new bottom. I really believe these things, guys, especially from fundamentals and also from technicals. And that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you have any kind of questions. Drop it down below in the comment section. See you guys tomorrow with my fresh updates. Till tomorrow, your boy Chris out. Bye.